Alright, we're doing one of our at-home foodies here, and tonight we're making beef stroganoff in the crock pot. Here is the list of ingredients. Hit pause, if you want to read that further.
I think we deviated a little bit.
We did deviate just a little bit. We added a couple things and did more meat. And then here's the steps also. So right now, we're browning some of our sirloin here. And we added a little bit more. We did extra mushroom. We're also doing mushrooms and onions. I gotta get the garlic out. So things are getting started. We're browning that in the butter like it says too. For 7 to 9 minutes. We're gonna do sour cream. This one calls for cream cheese. I'm telling you, this is gonna be amazing. And we're gonna serve ours over pasta, but you can also do it over potatoes or rice. However y'all fancy your underneath part of your meat. Alright, so we'll get back to you here in a few minutes. Show you once we start throwing it all together. Oh, thank you, mister. My faithful assistant here. We got the minced garlic going on. Alright, folks.
First, we gotta brown it.
Yep, we'll get back at you here shortly. Okay, so now we've got it. We've mixed up our soup mixture. And we're putting
it's
some of the meat. Yeah.
The meat gets kind of juicy.
It does. So you're right. Maybe we won't need any more butter for the rest of it. We could probably just saute the onions and stuff in that. They look so good. Alright, so we'll get back to you here in a few when we're sauteing the next part of it. We'll see ya. Okay, now we're putting in the onions and a mushroom mix.
We're doing this wrong also, by the way.
Yeah, because they said to throw the mushrooms just straight in, but we're going to saute them a little bit first.
Yeah.
Because we're excited and we go rogue on our recipes. We're rogue recipe readers. Do what we want.
Yeah.
We just get a template. Really, all we need is ingredient list, and we can do most of the rest from
So
there.
put a little butter in there. I need a little bit of garlic, I believe.
Yeah, yep. So let me grab these things. Be right back.
And about that much garlic.
Yep.
Says to put some cloves in, but we already have some mince, so
Yeah.
we changed it again.
Well, they said to mince it anyway. So
Oh, okay, cool.
Why not just start out with
We're
something?
going to start out with that right there, looks like.
Yeah, we love garlic.
Yes. All right.
All right.
We'll go back to you.
All right, we're gonna also add one of my favorite ingredients in the world. Yep, love onion powder, you guys. So much better than onion salt.
Yeah, it's all bad. Powder goose.
Yeah, exactly. It does the same job, and it's better for you.
All right, we already put pepper in there, so we're good.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so we'll get back to you here in a moment when we mix it with the beef. All right, here we go.
All right, I haven't sauteed in a while, but I don't know. That looks pretty sauteed.
Yeah, it looks
Should
good
be
to
a big
me.
old mountain in there, remember?
It was when we first put it in. It was a total mountain.
All right, I think I'm going to call that sauteed.
Sweet. Let's go mix it in with the meat.
Let's get the lid off of this.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Da, 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 da. And mushrooms mixed with the meat mixture. And the soup and the broth. This is going to be so good. Onions, garlic. Yum!
Oh boy.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so there you have it. This is how you make it. And
Let's see what it
then,
looks like.
yeah.
Hopefully it's not too dark.
We're cooking it on low, by the way. It says cook it for about 6 hours. We might do ours more like 7 or 8.
How's that? I was blocking the sun.
Oh, okay. Looks good.
Wow. And then we're going to put that over. Oh, we forgot to show you the noodles.
Oh, yeah. We're going to put it over some egg noodle. We got the extra wide.
Boss can find the noodles. There it is.
There we go.
Extra wide, because I like the extra wide when I'm doing stroganoff.
Gonna be good stuff. We'll probably get 2 dinners out of this, because look at all that. That's gonna feed 3 people times at least.
Good. With all those noodles, you're right.
2,
'Cause we
yeah.
only need like 1 or 2 scoops.
Right. And then the noodle, and then we're set, and we could have another meal.
Right, this will be our red meat for the month.
Woohoo! Yeah, 'cause we're trying to not eat too much red meat.
Yeah.
Alright, folks, we hope you had fun cooking with us today. Hope to see you again.
All right, we'll show you when it's all done. On the plate.
Yep. See
In the
ya.
face.
Have a good one. Right, here we're back, folks. We're
Putting in some noodles.
starting the noodles. Yep.
How much should we do?
Pasta time. Half, please.
I don't know how much is half. How much is
Alright,
half?
so just like,
Like that?
yeah, man, eyeballs it.
Like that.
You got this.
I think that was half. Think so?
Cool. Okay, yeah, that looks like half. All right. You know what's really funny? We noticed this earlier today. There's another recipe for stroganoff that's here. Then maybe we'll have to try it,
Hey,
right?
if anyone wants to use this stroganoff recipe, here we go.
Oh yeah, just hit pause. But we like the Betty Crocker one, and then we just kind of expanded on it. You know how you can season to taste? Well, that's what we did. So anyway, we will get back at you when this glorious meal is done. It'll be just a few more minutes, all right? We'll see you soon.
All right, you guys. It says to put half of that in.
Mm-hmm.
This looks about like half.
Mm.
All right. I'll just get it like that. Stab it.
Well, you gotta put it in cubes. You
Cubes?
can't just throw it in. Yeah, you gotta cut it in cubes. I know, but you gotta cut it in cubes to help it melt. I'm just telling you what the thing said.
Yeah.
Get mad at me. I didn't write the rules. I just break them.
Those are some long cubes. How's that?
Okay, whatever.
Cubes.
Whatever.
Cubes.
I didn't write this recipe that you wanted to adhere to. Looks good to me. All right, so it's going
It's
in.
the first time I've ever put any cream cheese
Mm-hmm.
in stroganoff. But I'm sure maybe I've had stroganoff with cream cheese. Who knows? Right?
We gotta stir it around till it melts, or just kind of let it sit and then come back around. What would you do?
I'm going to do this for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back around.
Righteous.
All right.
Looks like a little bit. All right. We'll be seeing you in a few.
A cup of
Sour cream.
sour cream. So we're in. This is going to be our calories for the whole week.
Oh my God! Right? Okay. Our red meat, our calories, our
Everything.
our carbs for the month.
All right, so I'm just going to do it like this.
Okay. Make it so.
I'm going to fill this guy up.
Numero uno.
Oops. Too much. It's all right.
Should be okay. What do you think? About like there, right?
I think that should be plenty.
That's more than enough. That's probably too much. Save some for garnish. All right. Yeah. Oh my. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It's gonna be creamier than creamy. It's got cream cheese. It's got sour cream. It's gonna be
Really
amazing.
bad for us, probably.
Yep, really bad for us.
But you know, it's good. Comfort food.
Right? We don't do this for you.
Yeah, I like my beef stroganoff.
Me too.
Yeah, it's so good.
It is so good.
If it turns out good, we might just do it next time with some chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll
Chicken
call it
stroganoff.
Chicken stroganoff.
Or what if we did a turkey?
Turkey stroganoff.
See?
It
Got
doesn't
too
have
much.
to be. Just doesn't have to be steak.
Yeah, but we wanted to try it out authentico the first time around.
Yeah. All right. I think that's good.
Yep, we'll get back at you here, folks. All right, here we go.
That's what it looks like.
Here we go. Yum.
It's gonna taste so good. I just know it. All right. That's what it looks like when it's all done, you guys.
Yes, this is the final product.
I guess I can do one more video after we eat it and tell you how yummy it was. Shall we?
I guess.
All right, let's do that.
All right, see ya.
See ya. All right. Get us in there. What do you think? What do you think about the beef stroganoff we just made?
It was so good.
Better than any restaurant I've ever had.
Oh my goodness, really good.
All right, check out what we got left over. I wish I knew how to flip this around. I'd show you, but I don't know how to flip it around.
That
If I
thing?
touch stuff, weird things happen.
That thing.
Yeah.
No?
I think you just took a
I
picture.
think.
All right, so here's what's left over, you guys. So we're gonna have another dinner
Yeah,
for
easily.
sure. There it is. Yeah.
Sorry if you can't see it.
Yeah, I suck at Samsung. All right.
Yeah, well, you know.
It was a success, and I'm gonna do it again. See you guys later. Thanks for watching this.